In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple maintenance procedure for the SSP2, which consists basically out of cleaning the barrel. Let's make sure the gun is safe. So I'm gonna remove the magazine, set it aside, and I'm gonna check if the chamber is empty, which it is. All right, if it's not empty, you will push it out, the BB, with the cleaning tool. Okay, we are ready to go. I'm gonna lock the slide in the back because I need access to the barrel. I don't want to disassemble it completely. We will show you the disassembly as well, but for this regular basic cleaning, you don't need to do it. You can just go from the top. NOVRITSCH maintenance kit contains everything that you need. First, we will start by taking out the cleaning rod, which are these two pieces. There are more for longer barrels as well, but here we are dealing with just a pistol, so we only need two pieces like this with this cleaning head where we can stick the patch through. We will take a cleaning patch that we have here. We only need one of them. This one is nice because it doesn't leave strings of fabric around everywhere. But you can also use a regular kitchen towel if you don't have anything else. Not a problem at all. All right, now we put it in the cleaning rod. Just like this, and now you will see it's quite long. Generally speaking, we don't want to have it longer than this edge right here, because then it would go inside of the barrel, over the edge, and it would get stuck. We don't want that. So I'm gonna cut the excess patch off. This also depends what cleaning rod you are using. All right, we have something like this. I will put cleaning alcohol or rubbing alcohol on it. Not too much, not too little. If you overdo it, you can use a regular kitchen towel, toilet paper, something you have laying around, and just roll it on it to get the excess off. All right, and now we just put it inside. Go gently, not too much force. If it doesn't want to go inside, stop. Don't try to force it in there. All right, and now we will just go through. At some point, you will feel the hop-up rubber getting in contact with it. If it gets stuck, it doesn't want to go in, don't put too much force on it. Just simply untighten the TDC screw. If you find yourself having a hard time, which I didn't, but I just want to show you, here is the TDC screw. Just untighten it a little bit, not to damage the hop-up bucking. Put it back on the slide lock, and you can continue. All right, there we got our patch. We can take it out. It's pretty clean, and we can take out the rod. Now, if you got something like this, pretty clean patch, nothing to be worried about, that's done. Your maintenance is done. Basically consists of cleaning the barrel. If you find a really dirty one, run it through again and again until you get something like this. And this is basically the basic maintenance that you need to do. There is nothing more to it. It just consists of cleaning of the barrel. And if you want to do a really deep cleaning of the pistol, we also have a video on that, but this is just the regular one. How often do you have to clean the barrel? That really depends. You can do it after every single game, which I would consider a little excessive, but if you want the every last bit of accuracy, you certainly can. If you do it once every year or every half a year, that's also fine. The pistol will keep working. Generally speaking, I personally do it when I see some decrease in accuracy, then I know it's time to clean the barrel. So there you have it. I hope it helped you, and see you in the next one.